Can you repost a reel on Instagram feed? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app. Log into your account. Tap reel icon at bottom right and choose a particular reel which you want to repost on Instagram feed. So let's tap onto your icon at bottom right and here you will see different options. You can easily scroll to the left and there is only the option to add to story, but there is no option to repost this reel on Instagram feed. So unfortunately there is no function that provides by the Instagram to repost a reel on Instagram feed, but don't worry, I'll show you one alternative way. That is, you can tap download button and download this particular reel video on your Instagram. Once it has been downloaded, you can tap on the plus icon at bottom center of the screen and choose that particular reel video. And then tap next button at top right corner of your screen. After that, tap OK and here you need to edit this video. After that, you can tap next button at bottom right and then tap OK button. You need to add a caption. You need to make sure that you tag the person of this video owner, and after that you need to grant permission. Then tap share at bottom right corner of the screen and tap always share reels, and then you can easily repost this Instagram reel on your feed. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.